What deal do you have for us today?
Today I have got a beachfront condominium deal. Beachfront condominiums are extremely rare in Phuket, especially on West Coast beaches. It's Montezure Twinpalms. It's a ground floor unit with a private pool. So Twinpalms being right on the beach there in Kamala. Really nice part of the beach as well, because you've got Cafe Del Mar there, you've got the other bar, you've got Intercon beach section, and then you've got the Twinpalms, right? So it's a beautiful spot. This unit, actually it's a buyer that bought it with me originally is reselling it. It's a leasehold. It's 201 square meters of total space, 84 square meters internal space, and it faces the pool area. So the development has kind of two sort of sections. It has like the beachfront section where the restaurant is and the pool, and there's some units facing the sea. And then it has like a sort of another section with a pool out the back, and it's in that section. And in that section, there's only one with a pool, a private pool, on the ground floor. But this is the only one. It's unique in that way. I can't think of a condominium that's on the beach that's hotel managed, for sure, by a major hotel brand in Phuket, Twinpalms. And the reason that Twinpalms were chosen actually is because they did such a good job of their hotel in Surin. They've got another one in Surin, and anyone that lives in Twinpalms will know the brand. They've got lots of other hospitality stuff. They've got restaurants. Brand as a whole that's managing it, doing a really great job. It looks as good as it did the day that it was finished, which is very rare to see in terms of condominium, especially beachfront stuff. And yeah, I love that unit. It's a one bedroom, big one bedroom, huge one bedroom really, 200 square meters of total space, including the outside. Price per square meter, well, 27 million baht. 201 square meters is 134,000 baht a square meter for a beachfront property. That's fantastic.
So what about the return for the owner?
Around 5% ROI annually. Investment wise, 27 million baht gets you a beachfront property with a private pool.